Hello, my name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. Just got doing warranty work. We put in Freon 2 days ago on a Chrysler 200. The Chrysler 200 is not made anymore. They completely stopped making the car because the car is a horrible design. With that being said, we came back this morning to do the warranty work because he said that his air conditioner wasn't working. With him standing there, we did a sniffer test to see where the leak was, because when we were there, all jobs, we take pictures of everything that we do, so it was working fine. Today when we pumped the Freon in, you could smell the Freon coming out. That was not doing it the very last time. The Freon was actually coming out of the receiver and dryer. The Freon was coming out of the condenser. The Freon was coming out of the AC compressor. So this guy's gonna have over $800 minimum of labor alone. The first time we went 2 days ago, his blend door actuator on the driver's side was barely working whatsoever. You had to keep playing with it, so that was another $250, and that doesn't include any of the parts. We advise the customer to go ahead and sell the vehicle as is right now, because there is no value of a Chrysler 200 whatsoever, and if there is any value whatsoever, he just went through half of the value, if not 3/4 of the value. The car is over 100,000 miles and is in very poor condition. We don't just tell customers, oh yeah, we're just going to keep fixing your car. We're very honest. The car is a endless money pit. We'll just tell you straight up, go ahead and sell the car. Some mechanics won't say absolutely anything. They'll just keep fixing it. We are people before profit. With that being said, we use a sniffer. The customer was standing right there. He smelt it. He could not deny the sniffer making noise. There is another part of the video that I've already done the sniffer test, and you can see it in action of us putting the Freon and using the sniffer to actually tell us and pinpoint where the AC Freon is leaking from. We also could have used dye. We have different options to do what needs to be done. With that being said, if you like, subscribe, and share this video, and we'll keep on rolling out. Thank you. July 28th, Chrysler 300, looking for a AC leak. Receiver and dryer is leaking, and the lines going to the compressor is leaking. My sniffer is going off in this one area. Go ahead and turn your car on, sir, and turn on your air conditioner. My name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. We're looking for a leak in a Chrysler 200, and we're using a sniffer. Pump it in the Freon. Your AC on? I put it in just enough to find out where it's at. Now I'm going to go check inside in front of you. Do your vents. All right. I'm going to go on the passenger side. Putting more Freon for the test to be more accurate. There's Freon going in your system, so I'm going to redo. That's your condenser. You have multiple leaks. You're looking over $1,000. I'm not making this up. You're over $1,000. Be straight up with you. With the car not running, the Freon's going to just stay in one area. With the car running, the compressor is pushing the Freon all the way around. That's what's happening. So now I'm going to go down to your compressor itself. I can actually smell it. I don't know if you can smell that, but I can smell it. It's a funny smell. Yeah, that's completely leaking. So we're going to go down to the compressor. This is the back of the compressor. And then I'm gonna turn it off. The shit stinks. All right, go ahead and cut your car off. I'm gonna go in front of the compressor. Now I'm gonna go in front of the compressor. Everything's leaking. So in conclusion, you have a receiver and dryer sitting right down there. Oh, you can see it right there. You have a compressor that's actually up under here, under your alternator. And you also have a condenser that's sitting right there. You got your radiator right here. You ever seen those air conditioning units? They're in the window and the heat's outside. Okay, well, the heat part of it is right here. The compressor is in the middle. Receiver and dryer, all that does is take out moisture, and then it goes into the evaporator, just like your house. That's where the cold is. It's just a car. So in conclusion, you got to get all that stuff replaced if you want AC, but it's going to almost exceed the half the value of this vehicle. We'll do whatever you want to do, and that doesn't even include the actuators, which I already wrote down for you. So that's about $1,200 to $1,500 parts and labor. Do you have any questions? All right, that concludes the warranty work.